Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apple Wallet for Amex offers and cards, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Apple Wallet. Tap the Get button to download Apple Wallet if it is not already installed. Once installed, locate the Apple Wallet app on your home screen. Open the Apple Wallet app. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Choose Add Credit or Debit Card from the options. You can either scan your card with the camera or enter the information manually. If scanning, align your card within the frame on the screen. Follow the prompts to enter any required details. After entering your card information, tap Next to proceed. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Tap Agree to accept the terms. Wait for your bank or card issuer to verify your card. This process may take a few moments. Once verified, your American Express card will be added to Apple Wallet. To add Amex offers, open the American Express app. Log into your American Express account with your credentials. Navigate to the Offers section in the app. Browse through the available offers and select one that interests you. Tap on Add to Cart for the selected offer. Confirm your choice and wait for the successful notification. Exit the American Express app. Open the Apple Wallet app again to view your card and offers. You're now ready to use Apple Wallet with your American Express offers and cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.